must be.
Hey, that boy Tristan is back in the vlog though. What up?
Check this out.
Hey, check that out. What is it?
That's my car, Ma.
That's your car, Ma? That's your sister?
Oh, cute.
Oh, look at you. Be on some Humpty Dumpty boo. I know you don't want to be in the vlog. So, we are out here filming the cars, you know.
Yeah, of course, the lady.
Huh?
You gotta introduce the lady to social media.
She's been in it a few times, but we're gonna play it calm, okay? You know what I'm saying? I wish I can turn this light down like a little bit. No, you can't really see. You can't really see. No, I'm saying. He's wearing one of them girl hats. Yeah. But we're out here filming the cars. You can see. It's gonna be a vlog slash cinematic slash. Yeah. You get the point. Okay. Yeah, you get the point. I'm gonna have to like push this up a little bit so I can do some stuff out here for it. Be on.
Scared. Just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away. I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far. Like a dragonfly, keep your secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I run away.
Alright, Tristan, this is what we're gonna do. This is the game plan. We're gonna go do burnout right here in the middle of the street, and nobody's not gonna know. Okay? We're gonna break in action so we can't go nowhere. Then they'll figure out it was us. Okay?
You don't have all the push.
Look at that. That logo is fire, dude. Oop. They gonna get somebody. They gonna go get them. They're gonna go get them now. But Tristan's car is coming together. I like it a lot. Welcome into fresh. My car is, it's looking okay at the moment. I got new side splitters, which if any of you have seen the last video, I will be putting those on tomorrow's video. Yes, and
JDM emblem
we got
thing.
Oh, he got the JDM Akadun. Check it out.
Ooh.
Oh,
Clean.
man, fresh.
Clean car. Dirty car.
Dang, son, where'd you find that?
What?
Nothing. like what? All right, new day. We are installing the side splitters on my RSX, the ones that we made in the last video. Well, yeah, the last video. If you guys haven't seen it, got part mounted at the moment. Took a long time to get my car jacked up. Lower car problems. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. Okay. Yeah. Would you look at that? Side splitters are on the car. It only took a long time to get done, but finally on. This side's on too. We decided to, the alignment was off, so we decided to go ahead and redo the alignment. Girlfriend helped me do it. She was kind of scared and nervous at the same time. It's all good. It's looking pretty solid. I like it.